Right, Merry Christmas everyone. Hope you're having a good time so far. It's actually Christmas Day. It's about 12 o'clock and I've got to skin and gut my squirrels and my pheasants. So I've got 2 squirrels and 1 pheasant, and I'm having that for dinner. We're also having turkey. The dinner's already on, the turkey's already been on for about an hour, so I've got to kind of get this done quick. So what I'm planning to do is I'll try and show you if I can, if I've got enough time. And there's other things I'm going to do. I'm going to possibly try and preserve the tail and preserve some of the skins, but we may not have time to do any of that at all today. So what I'll do, I'll just put them in a bag and I'll freeze them, and then when we come to do it, I'll defrost them and then we'll try it again. You know what I mean? And then we'll carry it on. So if I can do this quickly, I should be able to do this before we're interrupted. But we may be interrupted any second. So I'll do one of the squirrels first because they're probably the hardest to do. Pheasant takes no time at all. Pheasants are easy to do. You know, well, if you skin them, they're easy to do anyway. Trying to find somewhere to hook this. Right, so hopefully these don't get flagged or anything weird. So we want to keep the tail. The first thing I'm going to do is take the tail off as close to the bone as I can. Not to the bone, to the body. So there's the tail. We're going to keep that and preserve that. We'll skin, I can't do it now because I haven't got time, but we'll actually skin the tail and get the inside bone out of it. I don't want to keep the head or anything, so we'll have that off. So that's that off. Bag for these bits of rubbish. It's typical, I've got to have a blunt knife. Right, we should be able to carry on. So, I want to take these feet off. Bend them over until the skin's tight, and then you can find the bone a bit better then. I nearly cut myself with a knife then. Or did slightly. Pricked myself with the end of the tip of the knife. See, that's what happens when you're rushing. Should be in there now. A lot of fat on this one. Some of you know what it's like to skin a squirrel. It can be very tough. typical, got to have a blunt knife. It's not actually skinning too bad at the minute. It's actually easier than what I've had it before. So we're going to preserve this skin and keep it. Come on. Get these innards out while we're here.
Yeah, I'm good now. Yeah.
Right, so we've got the meat separated from the skin. We'll keep this and we're going to freeze it for now and make something out of it. Right, that's going to have to be it for this video because it's not, you know, my time for now to do other things. But Merry Christmas and I hope you all have a good one. Actually, right before we go, I'll just show you. So I've done, give these a wash now. So that's the two squirrels, and that's the pheasant. Actually, there's a little bit there we'll get off.